This is the tradition from Dare Qutni mentioned by Muhammad ibn Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Inna la mahdina ayataini. For our Mahdi, there are two signs. Lam takuna min zaqalak as-samawati wal earth, that never happened before since the creation of earth and heavens. Tankasibul Qamar li awwal laylatin min Ramzan, the lunar eclipse which will be observed on the first night of Ramadan. Tankasibul Shams, and the solar eclipse in the middle of the month. Walam takuna min khalaqallahu samawati wal earth, that never happened before since Allah has created the earth and the heavens. It means there will be observed two eclipses. The first one is the lunar and the second one is the solar eclipse. Both they will happen in Ramadan, first night and the mid of the month. And since the creation of the heavens and the earth, it never happened before. This is the big sign of the Mahdi. The year 2024, we had two eclipses in Ramadan. First one was observed on 15th of Ramadan, the lunar eclipse, and the second one was observed on 29th of Ramadan, the total solar eclipse. It was a rare eclipse when the moon covered the sun totally for 4 minutes and 28 seconds. All three bodies were aligned in a sequence for such a period, which extremely influenced the liquids of the bodies, both the sun and the earth, as compared to solids. As we know, moon has no liquid on the surface. The sun is a big source of energy. It rapidly radiates heat and light. It has molten metals and liquid masses on its surface, same the way our planet has the molten metals inside the magma, for which big part contains the iron particles. The earth has an other liquid on its surface, which is oceans. When three bodies were aligned for 4 minutes and 28 seconds in total solar eclipse, the motion of liquids was influenced due to the magnetic field of the earth, magnetosphere, and the solar and lunar poles. In a result, solar storm, cosmic mass eruptions, heat waves, extreme solar weather was observed last year. The planet has extremely observed hundreds of earthquakes, rainstorms, floods, volcanic eruptions, especially the areas where the total eclipse was observed: Mexico, Delaware, Canada, etc. Now we are in 2025. Again, two eclipses in Ramadan, the first as lunar and the second as solar, on 13th and 28th of the month respectively. 2 consecutive years with 2 eclipses in the holy month of Ramadan. It never happened earlier, since the creation of the earth and the heavens. Now the next year, it's my observation, the next year will also have the same signs as the year 2024 and 2025, according to the knowledge given to me. But the complete knowledge is belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He knows the best what happens next year. The scholars and the ulama, you were demanding the signs to be happen this and that. Now you see the signs, but you don't believe in Muhammad Qasim as Imam Mahdi, Awais Nasir as Mansur, to whom whole ummah was obliged to join him in establishing the Khilafah for Mahdi. In fact, you, the ulama, especially Tariq Masood, Tariq Jamil, Ismail Menk, and all those who disbelieve after having seen the signs of Mahdi in Muhammad Qasim bin Abdul Karim, and denying of that, you are devious, you misleaded the Ummah. Now behold, and watch closely the acrimony and wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.